All right, friends, we are going to continue some of our learning from yesterday. Yesterday, we learned about the letter B, and we learned that B spells B. I brought some objects to the carpet with us today. I brought some chalk. I brought a block. I brought a marker, a ball, a screw, and a blue marker. I wonder if we can think about the B spells B, and we can decide what has that sound and what doesn't. All right, let's make that sound with our mouths. B. What's this? Chalk. Does chalk start with B, or does it not? That's right, it doesn't. Chalk starts with ch, ch. Block. Everybody say block. Do we hear the B in block? That's right, we do.